Friends, welcome to Lakshmi Arts, and here is a video on making a beautiful fridge magnet or wall decor using owl family theme. This DIY article of owl family fridge magnet would make an ideal article for gifting during housewarming ceremony or for personal use. So let's go ahead and see the step-by-step procedure of making a beautiful fridge magnet or wall decor using owl family theme. Friends, let's make this beautiful owl family fridge magnet in this video. Let's start by taking two pieces of MDF cutouts shaped like a house. We can even take the cake base and cut a similar shape like this. Applying glue, let's stick both the pieces together and keep it to dry. Once dry, let's apply white gesso or white acrylic paint over it, covering it completely. We need to apply 2 coats of gesso or acrylic paint to give a smooth finish. Next, let's take the air dry clay. Mixing both the components together, let's make a dough out of it. Taking 2 equal portions, let's shape it into an oval shape for the owl. Here we have made 2 small shapes for the owl. Similarly, we have to make 2 bigger oval shapes too. Now let's roll a coil for the branch. Measuring it on the MDF base, let's cut the required length and keep it aside to dry. Next, let's make such flowers and leaves. Taking a small ball of clay, shape it into a drop shape. Cut the drop shape into 5 petals as shown. Shape the petals using the tip of the pencil and cut the extra clay out. For making the leaves, flatten the clay and cut the shape of the leaf out using X-Acto knife. Make veins on the leaf using the blunt side of the knife or a scale. Shape the leaf as required. Now let's apply the white acrylic paint on all the shapes. We need to apply 2 coats of white paint on all the elements. Let's make some flower centers too. Here we have applied 2 coats of the paint and it has dried completely. Now let's take the MDF base and start coloring it using purple, cerulean blue and neon pink as shown. Next, let's color the owls using neon pink. Using the same neon pink, let's color some flowers too. Using cerulean blue, let's color the other two owls and some flowers too. Let's highlight the pink flowers using red color. Also, let's make feathers for the owl with red color. Here we have highlighted the blue flowers with Persian blue. Apply chrome yellow for the flower center and also for the owl beak. Next, let's apply light pink to complete the pink owl. Light blue for the blue owl. Highlight the feathers too with light blue color. Light pink color for the pink owl. Sticking the center on the flowers, let's complete it. Apply green color for the leaves and brown color for the branches. Here we have completed coloring all the elements. Also, we have to outline all the lines on the owl with black acrylic paint for all the owls as seen here. Now let's assemble all the elements on the MDF house. Once all the elements are arranged, we can easily pick and apply glue to stick it back in its place. Lastly, we have to add a message as Home Sweet Home with red acrylic color. Friends, here our beautiful fridge magnet or wall decor is ready with the owl family theme. And also adding a Home Sweet Home message on it. Lastly, apply a coat of varnish to complete the article. This becomes a beautiful article for home decor or for gifting on a housewarming ceremony. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.